Hey everybody, we're back out at the garage, and guess what? We're gonna do another update to that MaxL one video that you guys all really enjoyed. So guess what? Today, we're gonna do another one. We're gonna do it on this. It's a 2014 Harley Ultra Limited, and it's filthy. I wanna take you in and show you how bad it is. This thing's been parked since last October. So other than some dust, which I'll dust off first, I'm not gonna wipe dust all over, but I'll dust it off, but then we're gonna use the MaxL one to clean it. I'm not gonna use a hose, nothing. Let's go check it out. So, as you guys can see, I mean, this stuff is filthy. Look, I mean, bug splats all over, all down in here. Just bad. This is bad. I'm gonna use it on the chrome. I'm using it on every part of this bike. So this thing will get cleaned up, and we're gonna do it right now and let you guys watch it. So here we go. All right, so first things first, it's been sitting since October. I need to dust it off. I love to use these little California dusters. We've used those forever with our car show cars. It's like a car wash in a brush. Like it can save you a lot of time washing your vehicles if it's only dust. If it's spots or rain, you're gonna have to wash it, at least spray it and wax it. All right, first step, we're gonna use this MaxL one, and the kit I bought comes with an application cloth, which mine's really dirty, and a drying cloth. So we're gonna start with the application cloth. I like to spray mine directly onto the cloth, maybe a little bit cleaner spot, and then a little bit onto here. Let's just see what we get. You guys saw those bug spots. I can feel them. They're really rough under the rag. We're gonna clean this thing up. Oh yeah, look at that, it's coming right off. That's great. A windshield that's covered in old bug spots from last fall, all the way to last October. Get this aluminum strip. Go across the rest of this bat wing, across the top of it. Oh yeah, there's a big old bug spot, big old June bug. I'm glad it hit there instead of my face. Those of you that ride motorcycles know what I'm talking about. Seems like you get going pretty fast on some of these bikes, and a little tiny bug feels like a rock. You know? Oh yeah. Oh man, that's nice. Look at that. You know, the more you massage it, the smoother I can feel it getting. I already know from doing this on my entire truck that this is gonna take some massage work to get it in there. But look at that, I didn't wash this with a hose or nothing, and it's cleaning right up. I like that. because then water isn't getting in places that I don't want it to get. Any of you that had some weird electrical issues know what I'm talking about. So there are the pluses to that. There's pluses to getting your bike nice and wet and water down in those little creases to get dirt out, things like that. But wow, this mirror is pretty bad. Let's see if this can do it. See if it can cut it. Can it make the cut? We will see. Oh yeah. Yeah. Unfortunately, I don't think you guys will see what I'm seeing, but I'll take you for a closer look here in a minute. Well, there you have it. I'm going to take you in for a closer look and see how it turned out. It turned out really nice. I'm just going to say this is literally like a car wash in a bottle. So come check it out. All right, that's it for today. We're gonna go take this thing out for a ride now and enjoy the weather. It's really nice. It's a pretty day out here in July. So please give it a like, a thumbs up, whatever, and subscribe. Please watch our other videos, and we'll see you on the next one.